this, then embarrassment max. I don't know why human beings are like that. We feel shy and we feel embarrassed to talk about our deepest feelings about someone, especially when they are our family members. I'll say all this to somebody I'm interested in, but I will not say this to my family members because I feel embarrassed. Why are we like that? Why do we feel shy to open up about how we feel about our family members? I'll never understand. Hey, just watching your movie Guru. Oh, Guru, yes, I hope you're enjoying it. It's a good film. Reading. Missing noodles these days. Yeah, I haven't washed my hair. It's very oily, very dirty. There's all sorts of gunk in my hair, so I think once I wash it, it's going to be back to life. I miss it too. Mumbai Indians. I don't watch IPL. I was going to. I watched a few. I think I watched one match with Mumbai Indians and CSK where CSK lost. I was watching it for Dhoni because I wanted to see him again on a cricket pitch, but that didn't go well for CSK, so I was sad. But anyway, at least I watched one match that was only for Dhoni. I'm reading. I am also a BTS fan. I am Nikki Boy. Yeah, I think because before I knew them, I never understood what the hype was all about. I was like, BTS is so hyped. What are these guys? Who are these guys? And I watched one song. I was like, wow, they are really good dancers and they look so good. Poof, major eye candy. Then I kept seeing all these songs back to back. Then I saw their dance practice. Then I saw their interviews. Then I saw their funny moments. All these challenges. I saw everything. I probably know everything about them now. I'm fully into them. I think this is how a BTS army's journey begins. You start with one song. You start with maybe the carpool karaoke video, and then you are fully into it. There is no going back. Read the book The Silent Patient. I have. I love it. I think I read it last year. I loved it. Such a good book, such a fast read. And the twist in the end, I wasn't expecting. I was shook. So I've read that. Good recommendation. If you haven't read it, definitely go for it. The psychological thriller, very, very well written. Okay, I'm reading. Any tips for gaining six-pack in a month? Bhai, you have very high hopes from life. Very high hopes. 6 packs in a month? Wrong Instagram, wrong channel. Go to somebody else. I cannot give you that advice. It's very difficult. Your abs are made in the kitchen. You have to have a very, very strict diet. And abs is not all about crunches. There's a lot of different workouts that you have to do. Very explosive, high intensity. There's a lot of it. But 1 month mein not possible. I'm sorry. But I hopes. You are a fantastic actress, the Iron Lady. Thank you. Thank you so much. Sala Khadoos is one of my favorite movies. Thank you. Glad you liked it. Kritika Vaswani, my sister, is saying Rohan is the best. I know he is, and he's also so funny. Full entertainment. I'm reading. Oh, my friend Jagriti says hi. Hi. Oh my god, it's been forever. I'm going to text you after the live because I need to talk. I can't properly express my emotions here. Okay, I'm reading. When is your birthday? My birthday is coming up very soon, 16th December. I'm a Sagittarius. I don't know why I did that when I said Sagittarius. But I love my Sagittarius army. I love my Sagittarius gang. I think we're super fun, super chill, and we're also very good at things. So yeah, I love Sagittarius. All the Sagittarians. Watch Stranger Things. I watched it ages ago. Anything else? Any new recommendations? Blackpink, you know, yeah, I know Blackpink also. So I had a phase. Where I was equally obsessed with Blackpink. Then I moved on to BTS, and I've just been stuck there. मैं उससे निकल ही नहीं पा रही हूँ. मैं अटक गई हूँ उधर. And I'm going to learn choreographies. I like Idol. I like Fake Love. This part, I love it. So I think I might learn those two choreographies. And even DNA is very nice. Yeah. Okay, I am reading. All the galis in the world, but because he's not listening, he's scared. That's the vibe. Okay. Reading. हेलो मैम, मैं बोलूँगा आप जाके ड्रीम 11 पे टीम बना लें. ड्रीम 11 क्या है? IPL से कुछ रिलेटेड है क्या? मुझे नहीं पता. मुझे तो कुछ समझ में नहीं आया आपने क्या बोला. Sense8 I have seen. Yes, Sense8 the show on Netflix. I don't know why it doesn't have more seasons, but Sense8 is one of my favorite shows. Favorite. I love Lito. I love मैं उसका नाम भूल. I think Sun. I love Sun. Lito is my favorite. Lito and Hernando. Love them. I think I've mostly seen all the shows. Without gloss also your lips are very beautiful. Thank you. But this, like I said, gloss makes me feel like Queen woman. That is why I like it. Makes you feel very glam. If you're a girl or if you're a boy into makeup, if you're anybody into makeup, definitely try a gloss. I never tried it thinking matte lipstick is safe. It stays on for a longer time. But the gloss, it makes people stare. So definitely try a gloss. Especially if you're going on a date. I'm talking like I've been on many dates. I've been on 0 dates. 0. But I mean, I have gone out with people to have dinner and lunch, but I've never it's never a date kind of a thing. But if you're going on one, wear a gloss. Wear mascara. Okay, I'm reading. Who is your favorite hero? I think everybody knows this by now. Ranveer Singh, the one and only. He has been my favorite. Yeah, बहुत time से. So Ranveer Singh. मैं live हूँ live. अरे हाँ खाना. My mom just came to remind me I didn't have lunch today. मैं आ रही हूँ. I have to go have lunch. I skipped lunch. I didn't even realize. See, this is how busy I am. I'm kidding. I'm not busy. I just had this audition. I had to get ready for learn my lines and all. So I might have gotten too involved and I forgot to have lunch. But I had dosa for brunch. That is why I'm not feeling hungry. Listen to UGH by BTS. Okay, I haven't heard that. That's a very good recommendation. Thank you. A new song finally. I'll play it after the live for sure. I miss the curly hair. I know, me too. It'll come back after a shower. I just have to clean it and it'll be back. Please, a dialogue from Oh My Kadavle. I forgot. I remember. Na unkunada sandoshama irpen. He is not you. Something like that she says. He is not you is easy. Then the second one I kind of forgot. It's been a long time now. Plus I never learnt my lines by heart on Oh My Kadavle. We just did a very quick learn and go, which is why I don't remember. Otherwise I would have. Dynamite. Yes, Dynamite is the most recent one. I think that is BTS's first all English track. I think this is BTS got introduced to a lot of people through Dynamite. So I feel very happy. And I think his name is Kyung Taeyoon is so good in that song. Yeah, a lot of swag. I should have titled this live BTS live session because we're all talking about BTS. I didn't know so many people were into it. Okay, ask me something interesting before I go because I have to go have lunch. Then I have another meeting at 6:30. I'm reading, scrolling. How do you keep your hair so beautiful? Hi! Oh my god, it's so good to have you here. I don't know how to pronounce your name properly, so I'm gonna call you Gigi. Is that okay? So good to have you here. My hair is very messy right now. Lot of split ends. I'm due for a haircut, but otherwise a big routine. And I love your hair too, and all your pictures. And say hi to Kurt Sir for me. Big fan. Please give him my regards. How did you get through college? I didn't. I did. I did. I have a degree. I'm a graduate. My friend Kasturi, I think she's on this live still. She helped me through it. I would have failed without her. I'm not bad. I'm very sharp. I'm intelligent, but I wasn't interested. So she pushed me. Train में in the local train she used to sit with me and say, देख यहाँ पे ये account पे जाएगा, ये account पे जाएगा, पूरा मुझे उसने पढ़ाया है. पूरा train में last minute studies. So she's the one. I think I passed because of her. I think you need that one friend. If you find that one friend in college, you'll sail through it. Otherwise, I didn't really go much, and I'm not proud of that. I didn't go to college. I only went for exams. Exams के लिए भी I used to go late, always late. I even missed my exams completely. Never told my parents, but they of course found out eventually because my grades were F. So of course they found out. But yeah, don't do that. Definitely go to college and study. Everyone calls me that. You're good, babe. Thanks, honey. Oh, I'm glad. So I got the right name, Gigi. Gigi is great. Okay, I'm reading. What do you think of Savage Love? Is Savage Love that one? Na na na. Did somebody break your heart? Da, 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 da. Is that Savage Love? Let me know. Am I confusing the song with something else? Let me know. I think that is Savage Love. I saw a lot of TikTok videos, so maybe that is the one. But Savage Love is not in my top songs, definitely. I love Fake Love a lot. DNA. Fire is great. I love that dance thing they do. Amazing. Okay. I'm reading. Ever made out? Nidish Nitu. How old do you think I am? You think I'm 2 years old? You think I'm just out of the womb? What is that question? Did you make out? Huh. Okay. Moving on. Your age. I'm 26 now, which I can't believe. I think mentally I'm still 21. I'm still stuck there. But yeah, I'm going to turn 27 in December, which I still can't believe. Obviously, I can't. And I look a little older today because of my hair and my makeup. Otherwise, without makeup, मैं छोटी ही लगती हूँ अभी तक. Okay, I'm reading. Next movie, I can't talk about it, but I've signed a few, and they're interesting ones, very interesting stories, and a very good cast, a very big and nice cast. It's a Tamil film, so I'm looking forward to that one. You look more beautiful today. I know, it's the gloss. I know, thank you. लाइव आया करो बिकॉज ज़रूरी है. थैंक यू. मैं कोशिश करूँगी. मैं कुछ टाइम से ऑफ थी इंस्टाग्राम से. आई वॉज ऑफ फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम एक्चुअली, एंड इवन नाउ आई एम नॉट चेकिंग माई नोटिफिकेशंस, आई एम नॉट चेकिंग माई पोस्ट्स और माई अकाउंट एट ऑल बिकॉज आई फील लाइक आई गेट टू इन्वॉल्व लाइक आई सेड, एंड आई डोंट लाइक दैट. I don't check people's stories anymore. I don't check posts because it makes me compare my life to them, and I don't like that. Because you know they say don't compare your life to somebody else's highlight reels, and Instagram is highlight reels. You only see what people are good at. You don't see when people fail. You don't see them when they're failing or when they're struggling. You only see them when they succeed. So that's why I'm trying to stay away for a bit. But I am doing good otherwise. Touch wood. Where are the pimples? They're gone. They're gone, and they've only left behind these little blemishes that I still have. But the pimples are gone after a long struggle. My God. Finally. It was very difficult. So now they're finally gone. At least I'm not getting any new ones. I get a few when I'm on my period because it's very difficult, and usually your hormones are thrown off balance completely when you're on your periods. So then I get a few. Otherwise, touch wood. Oh, shit. Sorry. Yeah, back. I'm reading. Do you like cricket? I used to be obsessed with cricket when I was in school during World Cup days. But then I think when IPL started, I stopped watching it as much because I was busy training. So and IPL matches happen like every day. So that is why I don't watch cricket a lot these days. But if there's a World Cup match happening, then I'll watch it for sure. Plus when IPL is on TV, we have our classes going on. We have our kickboxing, karate classes going on at the exact same time. So I can't do two things at once. Which is why I'm not watching IPL. Are you, as you are a real athlete boxer, would you ever try out for the WWE? Oh my God, that would be so cool. I know Ronda Rousey transitioned from MMA to wrestling, and she's doing so great. But I don't know if I can do it because I've seen the way they train. I've seen a lot of training videos for WWE and how hard they train, and the falls for a few seconds to go train. I'm ready. You have guts. Yeah, I do. I think we all have guts. I think all it takes is for us to realize that we need to start standing up for ourselves. Once you realize how important it is and how much difference it makes to your life when you start taking a stand for yourself, you automatically start showing your guts everywhere. That's how I learned. I see your fights. I saw your fights on YouTube, and I was very proud of you. Thank you so much. But my fights on YouTube they're not my best. I think I performed horribly in most of them. The best ones I have are on my laptop, which is not with me anymore. It's an old laptop, so I'll have to find them. But they are the good ones. They are the kickboxing and karate ones, and I'm good at that. MMA is not my strength, but I still tried. And even though I failed, I think life still got me here. Life still made me an actor, so I'm always grateful for that. Even though I got my ass beat when I was in the MMA game, but like I said, I'm acting now, so I'm very grateful that I went through that. Okay, moving on. I am reading your questions. Any Halloween plans? Oh, Simran, hi! Simran is my cousin from Bangalore. Halloween plans? No. I've never had any Halloween plans. No. तो मेरे तो दोस्त ही नहीं है. मैं कहाँ जाऊँ Halloween के लिए? I don't have like friends here. I have very few friends. Some of them don't even live in Kalyan. Only very few friends live in Kalyan, and we're not Halloween people, so I don't think I'm celebrating. I mean, I'm definitely not celebrating. Whenever it's boring for you, you can just start a live session. It's an entertainment. Just for fun, Akka, you are great, really. No, I'm not bored. Like I said, I put on this makeup today for an audition and that got cancelled. So I was like, I'm not going to let this epic makeup face go to waste, which is why I came live. And also, I haven't done a live in a very long time, so I thought I'll just quickly come and chat with you guys. That is why I'm here. You are ignoring us. I'm not ignoring. Karuna, Simran, Kittu. I don't know why you're saying I'm ignoring you. I'm not ignoring you. There are so many questions here. मुझे कुछ दिख ही नहीं रहा है. But I'm gonna try and answer a few more. Are you married or unmarried? I'm very much unmarried. Very much still single. मैं तो हमेशा, I'll always say I'm single even if I'm committed. No, I'm kidding. I don't know what I'll do. But right now I'm single. Hit me up in the DMs if you're an interesting person. Hit me up. I'm kidding. I will not reply to you because I'm not checking Instagram these days. If I was very active, I would have maybe replied to you if you had an interesting message in my DMs. If you had something interesting to say, I might have. I actually do reply to DMs, but they're mostly from women because I feel like they're very genuine. They're very honest. Even some boys also send some really sweet DMs. I reply to them. If they touch my heart, you will get a reply. Also, if I see them, that's also a category to qualify with. But I was kidding. Don't hit me up. Don't hit me up. मैं नहीं पढ़ूंगी मेरे DMs अभी. I'm staying away. Okay, I'm reading a few more questions. Your favorite book? I can't really pick one, but one of the last books I read, psychological thriller again. It was called The Last of Us by John Mars. Oh my god, you have to read it. Trigger warnings though for a lot of things. So if you get triggered easily by reading a few things like I can't say what they are because then they'll be giving away too much about the book. So if you get triggered, be careful, go into it very carefully. There's some adult content also, so be careful. But what a book! Oof, so good. It was a wild ride. I really enjoyed it. Okay, I'm reading more. I shouldn't be making that noise. Sorry. All-time favorite movie? I have one, but it'll mostly be an animated film, maybe because it makes me very happy. I'd choose Moana. I always say Moana because it's such a great film and I love the characters and I love the songs, especially that one. What can I say except you're welcome? I love that song. I think last live also I said Moana. This live also I said Moana. I don't watch a lot of movies. I'm an actor. I don't watch a lot of movies. But yeah, Moana is perfect. Ooh, what do your parents or close friends call you except your name? I mean, I asked your nickname. Yeah, my parents and my close friends call me Ritu. Everybody who knows me calls me Ritu. Some people call me Ritz. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Ritu and Ritz. Those are my two names. Ooh, okay, I'm reading. Your favorite cricket player? I used to have a huge crush on Brett Lee. So I'd say it's still him. Oh, जब उसके बाल slow motion में उड़ते थे ना, then I used to bowl. I was in school back then. There was this one. I used to like Kevin Peterson also. Yeah, I used to like him. I used to watch the matches only for them. So yeah, those two. have three wishes, if you have three wishes, what will you wish for? Okay, one, because I'm so obsessed with BTS right now, I'll wish to meet BTS and talk to Jimin for 10 minutes at least, and talk to Jungkook also, and probably learn a dance routine from them. J-Hope, Jungkook, and Jimin. Actually, all of them. If they can teach me their dance routines, I think I'd love that. Two, I'd love to fly, like no conditions apply, just flying. I'd love to have the power to fly and the power to read minds, I think, because, yeah, lot of reasons why I'd like to read minds. So, yeah, those three. Interesting question though, thanks for asking. We are ditto copy of each other. Esther, I'm glad to know. Okay, I'm reading. I love how my messages get drowned in these hundreds of messages. Shivam, hi! Oh god, I'm so sorry, I didn't see your messages. Oh shit, I'm gonna send you a message after this. I'm so sorry I didn't see it. Shivam is my friend, also an actor, a great guy. Yeah, just introducing him to you all. I'll talk to you later, okay? I was asking so many times, but you're not suggesting tips for skin. Tips for skin. There's a lot. First, put sunscreen, a lot of sunscreen, even if you are sitting at home, even if you think that, oh, यहाँ पे तो बहुत छाँव है, यहाँ पे तो धूप ही नहीं आ रही. आज तो cloudy है. Today it's very cloudy, there's no sun. No, there is still sun. The sun still rises. So always put sunscreen and don't put this much. Put this much. You have to put a lot of sunscreen. Like, can you see? This much you have to put. One full dime size amount. No, coin size I think. Put a lot of sunscreen. Your face, your neck, your hands. Drink water because water, keeps you hydrated. Your skin doesn't look as dry as it might otherwise. And exercise and eat good food. Those typical tips that people give you is all I have right now because it's a detailed discussion. Skincare tips and skincare routine is a full detailed discussion that I have to do a separate live for, probably just like I have to do one for BTS because I'm talking about BTS non-stop. So, what's the most interesting thing you've read or seen this week? The most interesting thing I've seen is Park Jimin. I'm sorry, I'm rubbing it in your faces, but yes, Park Jimin, I love you. And the most interesting thing I've read, let me see my books. This book called The Hate You Give, I think by Angie Thomas. If I'm not getting her name wrong, it's right there. I can't see it, but I'm trying to see. It's called The Hate You Give. It's also a movie on Hotstar. But the book, it's so good and it's so important. It talks about a lot of things that are happening in our society and this world right now. Please go read it. It's a very important read. Teaches you a lot of things and it makes you think of how sometimes you might say things to your friends thinking, oh, it's just a joke. But for that person, you could be hurting their sentiments. You could be hurting their culture, So read that book. Why I'm saying culture, you will know once you start reading. So definitely read that book. I am reading which superhero power your dream is to become if you have an option to choose. So I think he's asking me which superhero I'd like to be. I'd love to be Wonder Woman. I'd love to be, Wonder Woman. For sure.